क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? तुम्हारा बाहर निकलना बंद. You are grounded. You are grounded. वो अजीब बातें करता है. He talks strange. He talks strange. सीधे बैठो. Sit upright. Sit upright. मुझे ये सब मत बताओ. Don't tell me all this. Don't tell me all this. क्या आप वाकई में सच कह रहे हैं? Do you really mean it? Do you really mean it? आपका गुस्सा जायज है. Your anger is justified. Your anger is justified. मजाक मत बनाओ. Don't make fun of him. Don't make fun of him. दीवारों के भी कान होते हैं. Even the walls have ears. Even the walls have ears. बढ़ा चढ़ाकर मत बोलो. Don't exaggerate. Don't exaggerate. किसी को बुरा मत बोलो. Don't speak ill to anybody. Don't speak ill to anybody. मेरे रास्ते से हट जाओ. Move out of my way. Move out of my way. गुस्सा थूक दो. Spit away the anger. Spit away the anger. कितनी शर्म की बात है. What a shame. What a shame. वो बहुत पतला है. He is so skinny. He is so skinny. गाड़ी से उतर जाओ. Get off the car. Get off the car. मेरा ऐसा मतलब नहीं है. I don't mean it. I don't mean it. मैं काफी बेहतर महसूस कर रहा हूं. I feel much better. I feel much better. ये मेरे लिए बड़ी बात है. It's a big deal for me. It's a big deal for me. अपने दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करो. Use your brain. Use your brain. ये हुई ना बात. That's the way. That's the way. कृपया अंदर आइए. Please get in. Please get in. या फिर आप बोल सकते हैं Please come in. Please come in. आपको क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? इसका क्या मतलब है? What does it mean? What does it mean? मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूंगा. I will help you. I will help you. कोई नहीं आया. Nobody come. Nobody come. मुझे दोनों पसंद है. I like both. I like both. मुझे माफ कर दो. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. कुछ तो बोलो. Say something. Say something. मुझे घर छोड़ दो. Drop me home. Drop me home. आपकी उम्र लंबी हो. May you live long. May you live long. ये तो होना ही था. This had to happen. This had to happen. पैर घसीट कर मत चलो. Don't drag your feet. Don't drag your feet. सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है. The truth is always bitter. The truth is always bitter. आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? आपको शांत रहना होगा. You need to remain calm. You need to remain calm. क्या बकवास है? What nonsense. What nonsense. अपनी जीभ पर नियंत्रण रखें. Control your tongue. Control your tongue. वो हकला रहा था. He was stammering. He was stammering. नजर न लगे. Touch wood. Touch wood. तमीज से बात करो. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. मुझ पर विश्वास करो. Trust me. Trust me. तुम कितने सुस्त हो. You are so dull. You are so dull. मुझे शांति से जीने दो. Let me live peacefully. Let me live peacefully. बाहर मत जाओ. Don't go out. Don't go out. मेरे होठ फटे हुए हैं. My lips are chapped. My lips are chapped. मुझे जॉब की जरूरत है. I need a job. I need a job. मोटे मत हो जाना. Don't get fat. Don't get fat. वहीं रुको. Stop there. Stop there. कानाफूसी मत करो. Don't whisper. Don't whisper. मुझे अनुमति दे. Allow me. Allow me. मैं चल नहीं सकता. I can't walk. I can't walk. कुछ मत कहो. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. शर्माओ मत. Don't feel shy. Don't feel shy. मुझे याद दिलाना. Remind me. Remind me. मुझे रोको मत. Don't stop me. Don't stop me. यहाँ हस्ताक्षर कीजिए. Sign here. Sign here. जल्दी से नीचे आ जाओ. Go down quickly. Go down quickly. मुझे ये करने दो. Let me do this. Let me do this. वो लायक नहीं है. He is not worth it. He is not worth it. अभी भी टाइम है. There is still time. There is still time. सुधर जाओ. Mend your ways. Mend your ways. कौन सोया है? Who has slept? Who has slept? मैं खा चुका हूँ. I have eaten. I have eaten. आप बहुत प्यारी हो. You are so pretty. You are so pretty. आप सुंदर लग रही हो. You are looking lovely. You are looking lovely. पैर घसीट कर मत चलो. Don't drag your feet. Don't drag your feet. मैं बाद में बात करूंगा. I'll do it later. I'll do it later. क्या एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? तुम कहाँ खोए हुए हो? Where are you lost? Where are you lost? उसे तमीज सिखाओ. Teach him manners. Teach him manners. मेरी बातों का बुरा मत मानो. Don't mind my words. Don't mind my words. मुझ पर चिल्लाना बंद करो। स्टॉप yelling at me. स्टॉप yelling at me. कुर्ला कर लो। Rinse the mouth. Rinse the mouth. अकेले मत टहलो। Don't walk alone. Don't walk alone. इस तरफ देखो। Look this way. Look this way. एक एक करके आओ। Come one by one. Come one by one. ये मेरा फैसला है। It's my decision. It's my decision. मेरी बात सुनो। Listen to me. Listen to me. उठो। Wake up. Wake up. तैयार हो जाओ। Get ready. Get ready. आप बेवजह यहाँ बैठे हैं। You are unnecessarily sitting here. You are unnecessarily sitting here. आगे क्या? What next? What next? मैंने आपसे कभी कुछ नहीं कहा। I never said anything to you. I never said anything to you. क्या करें? What to do? What to do? कमरे में कोई नहीं है। There is nobody in the room. There is nobody in the room. मैं चल नहीं सकता। I can't walk. I can't walk. मैं एक बार वहां गया था। I had been there once. I had been there once. तुम गलत हो। You are wrong. You are wrong. आप कुछ कहें। You say something. You say something. उसे इतनी आजादी मत दो। Don't give so much freedom to him. Don't give so much freedom to him. कान खोलकर सुनो। Listen up. Listen up. मेरी किस्मत ही खराब है। I have a bad luck. I have a bad luck. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना। Do me a favor, please. Do me a favor, please. बहुत बढ़िया। Well done. Well done. बातों को घुमाओ मत। Don't play with the words. Don't play with the words. मेरी बुराइयां ढूंढना बंद करो। Stop finding my evil. Stop finding my evil. तुम यहां से चलते बनो। You walk away from here. You walk away from here. आप होश में तो हो? Are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? आप मेरा समय बर्बाद कर रहे हो। You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. क्या तुम पागल हो? Are you mad? Are you mad? मुझे जाने दो। Let me go. Let me go. चिंता मत करो। Don't worry. Don't worry. क्या तुम थके हुए हो? Are you tired? Are you tired? थोड़ी देर इंतजार करो। Wait for a while. Wait for a while. उसने कभी मेरी परवाह नहीं की। He never cared for me. He never cared for me. हमारे साथ आओ। Come with us. Come with us. मैंने एक बार फिर सोचा। I thought once again. I thought once again. कम से कम एक बार तो आओ। Come at least once. Come at least once. मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है. I also think so. I also think so. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं आया. I don't like it. I don't like it. कितने दुख की बात है. How sad. How sad. तुम कितने बजे सोते हो? At what time do you go to bed? At what time do you go to bed? भूल जाओ. Forget it. Forget it. आपको जल्दी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't need to hurry. You don't need to hurry. समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. साइकिल को स्टैंड पर रखो. Keep the bicycle on the stand. Keep the bicycle on the stand. वहां से रुमाल ले लो. Take a hanky from there. Take a hanky from there. ये मत करो. Don't do it. Don't do it. कितने आलसी लड़के हो तुम. How lazy a boy you are. How lazy a boy you are. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? क्या तुम सुन रहे हो? Are you listening? Are you listening? मुझे पनीर खाना पसंद है. I like to eat paneer. I like to eat paneer. छुपाओ मत. Don't hide. Don't hide. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. मैं थोड़ी देर में आता हूँ. I come in a while. I come in a while. सावधान रहें. Be careful. Be careful. मुझे ये करने दो. Let me do this. Let me do this. बोलने से पहले सोचो. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. मैं बस अभी आ रहा हूँ. I am just coming. I am just coming. और कुछ? Anything else? Anything else? तुम बहुत बकबक करते हो. You chatter a lot. You chatter a lot. ये बहुत ज्यादा है. It's too much. It's too much. तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया. You did very well. You did very well. आज पैसे मैं दूंगा. I will pay today. I will pay today. मुझे पता है तुम मेरी पीठ पीछे क्या क्या करते हो. I know what all you do behind my back. I know what all you do behind my back.